Hi, I'm Grace, KE3G Golf, and welcome to HamRadio.World. We are on our way to the IWCE convention, and we just finished up helping a client of ours set up some batteries to work with our Go Box that we sold him in his camper. So, on our way to this convention, we've stopped by the Hoover Dam, it's right over there, and we've noticed something. This seems to be considered a wishing well, because if you look down there, there's a lot of money down there, and like half of it is foreign, so I guess we know what type of people tend to come here. Like, oh, it must be a pretty big tourist trap. Anyway, 73, we'll make more videos later, so 73 for now.